Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. Children, now let's recall our first lesson, Philanthropist of Sangam Age. And let me see how many of you remember it. In the Sangam Age, many philanthropists rule these hills. Do you know who is philanthropist? Yeah, philanthropist is a person who gives money or charity or helps needy people. Sangam literature consists of several classical poetry, which is the main sources of evidence of the Sangam age. In total, there were around 21 such philanthropists, but 7 of them were very famous. And they were also called as Kadayelu Vallalgal or feudal lords. Hope you remember about Kadayelu Vallalgal, isn't it? Okay, come on. Let's recall the names of Kadayelu Vallalgal. Pehan, Pari, Nedumudi Kari, Adiyaman, Nalli, and finally Valvilori. Good. Okay, let's learn about these kings in detail now. These kings ruled different hilly regions at different periods during Sangam age. They all were powerful, kind, and cared for nature and people. They all were known for their kindness. Let's look about King Pehan. King Pehan ruled Palani Hills, which is in present Dindigul district. These regions are very cold. One day when Pehan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He assumed that peacock was shivering due to cold, and he covered peacock with shawl. Pehan treated that peacock just as a child. He was very kind and he loved animals. That's it about King Pehan. And next about King Pari. King Pari was wise and kind philanthropist. He ruled Parambu Nadu. This was located in Parambu Malai, which is in present Sivagangai district in Tamil Nadu and extends all the way to Palakkad in Kerala. The Moovendars, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas wanted to make Parambu Nadu as part of their kingdom. They were not able to win the battles against Pari and his army individually. So, they attacked Parambu Nadu together. In the thick forest inside the hills, they were not able to defeat Pari's army. Instead, they made sure that Parambu Nadu could not get water or food from below the hills. They thought that Pari would surrender after he ran out of food and water. But Pari did not surrender. Few months passed. Then Moovendar later realized that the forest in Parambu Malai was so rich that it provided people with lot of jackfruits, edible bamboo, and other wild nuts. Hill also had a lot of stream which provided them with clean and fresh water. The forest took care of them as Pari did with his people and nature. Once Pari gave his chariot to a jasmine climber which has no support. This shows his love for nature. And now let's recall about King Adiyaman. Adiyaman ruled a hilly region in Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. One day he was presented the very rare type of gooseberry. He was told that anyone who eat the rare fruit will remain immortal. He offered that rare fruit to an old Tamil poetess, Avvayar. Avvayar was shocked and said he should eat this fruit as he was a ruler. Whereas Adhyaman told that there will be many rulers after him, but there may not be many poets to teach people how to live life better. This shows how people valued each other in Sangam age. Next comes Walvil Ori. He is a kind ruler who ruled hilly region in Kolli Hills in Namakkal district. In olden days, people were treated unfairly based on their works. Walvil Ori made sure that unfair practice was not encouraged in his region. He treated all his people equally. He gave his kingdom to the dramatists of Kolli Hills. This shows his love towards arts. Thus, he was a fair ruler. And now let's see why he got this name, Walvil Ori. Walvil means bow and arrow. Since he was a good archer, he was bestowed with this title and he was the king of Kollimalai. This Walvil Ori gave his kingdom to the artists of Kollimalai. This shows his love and craze towards art and culture. Next, let's recall about Nedumudi Kari. Nedumudi Kari was a very generous king who, when anyone approaches for their needs, this king Kari fulfills it. Nedumudi Kari gave his horse and kingdom to a tribe called Iravalas. This king Nedumudi Kari ruled the hilly region of Tondai Mandalam. Next, let's recall the generosity of King Ai. The King Ai ruled Podigai Hills and once received a glowing clothing as a gift from a good snake, which is very rare. And even this was given when one approached for the same. This shows his generosity. Next, let's recall about King Nalli. King Nalli ruled the hilly region of Tottimalai. King Nalli helped people who approach him for help. While helping, he never revealed his true identity. That's it, students. Before ending, let's have a quick recap for their kindness. And let's have a look on the names of philanthropists along with their region. Pehan ruled in the Palani Hills, while Pari ruled in the Parambu Hills. And next comes Adhyaman. Adhyaman ruled in the region of Tagadur Hills. Walvil Ori ruled in the Kolli Hills, and I ruled in the region of Podigai Hills. And next comes Nedumudi Kari ruled in the region of Tondai Mandalam. And finally, Nalli ruled in the hilly region of Tottimalai. Hope you all understood. And now it's evaluation time. Let us check your knowledge by these questions. Number 1, dash is one among the Moovendars. Options are I, Cheran, Pari and Nalli. Answer is Cheran. Cheran is one among the Moovendars. As we all know, Chera Chola Pandya or Moovendars. So Cheran is one among the Moovendars. Next, the 7 philanthropists ruled in the dash in the hilly regions. 7 philanthropists ruled in the hilly regions. Yes. Next, Parambanadu was located in dash district. Sivagangai district. Pagan ruled a hilly region in the Dash Hills. In the Palani Hills. Pagan ruled a hilly region in the Palani Hills. Next, Adyaman gave a dash to Avayar. Gooseberry. Adyaman gave a gooseberry to Avayar. Okay. Next, let's try to match the philanthropist with their regions. I ruled in the Podigai Hills. Adyaman ruled in the hilly region of Dharmapuri district. Valvil Ori in the region of Kolli Hills. And finally Pari in the hilly region of Sivagangai district. Next, let me check your memory with these true or false. Pari did not care for nature at all. Is it true or false? Yeah, it's false because Pari cared for nature. Sangam age had 7 famous philanthropists. Yeah, it's true. We should value the people and animals. It's true. Nedumudi Kari ruled the region of Totimalai. It's false because they ruled the region of Tondai Mandalam. Hope you all understood. And my dear parents, kindly assess your child with the assignment sent to you along with this video. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.